Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In today's video, as you can see, I have foundation in my hair. My foundation color is a bit off. My neck is full of stains. These lashes are just bigger than my head. My lip liner is awfully grossly applied and I look muddy. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I'm sure you can, but in real life it looks even more muddy. In today's video, I am going to prank my husband and I don't know the result yet because I still have to prank him, but obviously I need to film this intro, right? So wish me luck and we'll see how he reacts. So the thing is, my husband can be home any minute. He's texting me right now. So I have to do this intro pretty quick. So what I want to do is I want to prank him by applying my makeup, not in a pretty way. So I just want to be like full on glam, but not in a good way. But it still has to be like realistic enough because he knows me so well that I'm not sure if this is going to work. Hopefully it's going to work. And he can definitely be like give criticism in a good way, but he's very, I don't know, he just likes to make comments about my makeup. But it's not like a guy who doesn't care at all. He doesn't look at it because obviously it's my job. He edits all my videos and photos. So he knows what good makeup looks like. And sometimes when I don't blend something really well, he will tell me, okay, he will. I think it has to be a little bit pretty because otherwise he's not going to believe it. So let's see what comment he's going to make. And I think if he's going to make a comment, it will be in Dutch because, it would be weird to if he would speak English. Maybe if I say I'm vlogging. Okay, I'm going to vlog with my iPhone. Saying that I'm just doing a day vlog just for fun, saying that I'll just do like a weekly vlog, and I think he will believe that because I've mentioned it a few times. So yeah, before I'm going to start, my brows are super dark right now and super harsh because I had powder brows done 3 days ago, and the color is going to look so harsh and so dark the first 3 days, and then it is going to start to peel off in a very gross way. And then we'll see the result in 5 or 6 weeks, which is going to look so much more natural and so much more ombre. But in today's video, it's actually a good thing that my brows look harsh as well. So it goes with the look I have in my mind. Let's start with foundation that is going to be too dark and too thick. I haven't even used moisturizer, so I'm not going to mess up my own skin. I'm so curious what he's going to say and if he's actually going to believe me. Would he be ashamed to go with me anywhere like that? I mean, we'll see. Okay, now I'm just going to look for a very dark, thick foundation. This is not super dark, but this is so yellow and for some reason so pale at the same time. I can't really describe it, but the color is a bit off. I was not a huge fan of this foundation, and I know a lot of people were, but it is a very thick matte foundation, so I'm just going to apply a lot. Doesn't look like a lot, but trust me, this foundation is so thick. Oh my goodness. Or maybe like, yeah, I think this color is going to be so off. Oh, such a mask. Yeah, I'm just going to do the lips as well. It's not like too off, otherwise it would be too obvious, I think. So just caking it on. Oh, oh, horrible. I can't really touch my brows, so I'm going to fix that later. What the hell is this hair doing here? So hopefully I will finish this before he comes upstairs. Sometimes he comes upstairs to, get me something, coffee, tea, fruit, or whatever. So hopefully he's not going to come. Oh, you know what he really hates? He really hates it. I actually really love it, but I'm just going to really like overreact that part. He hates it when my contour on my forehead is too brown. He really dislikes a very warm orangey forehead. I don't think my forehead looks orangey, but he just doesn't like that look. And for concealer, I'm just going to use something really light. For some reason, it still looks okay on camera, but it really looks too cakey for, just a day makeup. Okay, this looks gray now. Should we leave it like, no, he would definitely know that it's a prank. Okay, now go to contour, and he hates it when this looks too dark. I actually really like that, but obviously now I'm going to make it way darker and smudgy. Oh my goodness. First, I'm just going to really make it smudgy. And then I'm just going to make it slightly more realistic. I'm just going to blend it, but like keep it dark. Trust me, like once I film with my iPhone, you guys can see how bad this looks. Okay, I'm just going to make it worse by applying bronzer. I think if I'm going to make the eyes super, this is not even a brush to contour my nose, but whatever. If I'm going to make my eyes super smoky, I'm not sure if he's going to, like, believe that. Oh my goodness, I don't even think he's going to believe that. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply powder. Okay, I'm just going to leave this on a bit. Okay, then for highlighter, I'm just going to do like a stripe. I'm really going in, like, look at this. This is the eraser highlighter. I'm just going to try to like make a stripe and just extremely, extremely. Oh, he knows I don't like this. So if he doesn't believe me, I'm actually going to say that I recreated like a Kim Kardashian look or like a J-Lo look. You guys have no idea how terrible I look. Look at that. Look at the contour. Oh my god. Okay, I have to work pretty quick because I don't want him to come home. I'm just going to use this eyeshadow from Armani. Just have like that smoky effect. What if he says that he actually likes this makeup? Like, I just told you guys that he kind of knows when someone, you know, wears good makeup versus, in our opinion, not really good makeup. It's way more natural than I thought. But it is pretty. I should use it more often. Okay, so I don't know, but I just found this glittery eyeshadow. I'm just going to use it. And he really hates it when this part is like extremely highlighted. Oh, these are actually really pretty. What is this? This is Ciate London eye luster in... Okay, can't seem to find a shade, but I never thought I would come across a beautiful product while doing this tutorial. I'm just going to use darker eyeshadow. This is also from Armani. So it looks a little bit more realistic, as if I've put a little bit more effort into it. If it wasn't for this makeup tutorial, I think I could actually make this eyeshadow work. I'm actually using a brown eye pencil. Oh, I thought he was home. You know, I'm also going to overline this. I mean, if he believes this and he doesn't even think it's going to be a prank, do you know how offended I will be that he doesn't even see the difference between my normal makeup and this makeup? Like, imagine. So I just went in with a little bit more of a brown lip liner because otherwise he's really not going to believe it. And now I'm just putting on some gloss. Ooh, that looks awful. So I'm quickly going to, I don't know why I'm whispering, but I'm quickly going to add some really dramatic falsies. And then I'm just going to call him to get his ass over here. I think these are the most dramatic lashes I have. These are from Tati Lashes, and these are actually gorgeous if you're wearing very dramatic makeup as well, and if you don't have hooded eyes. Doesn't matter if we can see mascara spots on our eyelid, because that looks even more messy. Honestly, I'm surprised I'm not flying. These are just so... I didn't even wipe away the powder. So usually, this foundation is so full coverage that you can't even see my beauty mark. So I just tried to place it with like an eye pencil. Oh, he's calling. Hey babe. Ja, echt. Snel hè?
Wat heb je gedaan?
Quick and easy make-up look with drugstore products. Maar wel, nou ja, quick and easy. Quick and easy, heavy glam, zeg maar. Inspire by Kim K.
Ga je niet nog eentje filmen dan? Dat is toch nog tijd dan?
Kan, maar ik dacht, we kunnen ook... Deze make-up is wel best wel heftig, zeg maar. Dus ik dacht, het is wel mooi om foto's te maken. Let's drink something first.
Ja, daarom. Ik kom zo naar huis, ja?
Ja, is
Ga ik ook
goed.
wat aandoen en dan gaan we.
Oké, en ik doe vanaf vandaag een beetje vloggen, ja? Kijk hoe dat gaat de hele week.
Ja, is goed.
Oké, babe, love you.
Ja, doei.
Doei doei. believes it. There's even like foundation in my hair. Oh my god, I look hideous. So, this is how I look in real life. Let me show you with daylight. Okay, don't mind the laundry, but look at that. Look at the highlight. It looks awful, okay? It looks even more awful in real life. So I'm just gonna wait for him to come back, and then I'm just going to pretend as if I'm vlogging today. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so he doesn't have a key, and he's going to see me in daylight. Oh my god, what are my neighbors going to think? So, and we're heading for some coffee. Hey babe. What's up? Nou, het vloggen. Ik heb
Heel raar lippen.
Waarom?
Ga je zo naar buiten?
Wat dan?
Het ziet er heel raar uit.
Okay, well thanks. He doesn't like my makeup.
Ik zou echt niet zo naar buiten gaan.
Waarom?
Dat ziet er echt niet uit.
Oké.
Misschien voor de doek wel, maar niet voor buiten.
Denk je echt?
Schat, dat ziet er gewoon niet uit.
Waarom? Wat stom, wat lullig.
Ja, dat ziet er gewoon niet uit.
Wat dan?
Dat ziet er gewoon niet uit.
No, thanks. I can't even believe what he's telling me right now. Are you serious? Kom eens hier kijken dan.
Wat kom eens hier kijken? Jij overlijnt
Kijk dan hoe mooi.
tot de dood. Ja, op video is het waarschijnlijk wel mooi. Maar dit ziet er niet uit, schat. Het lijkt op een snor.
Alleen mijn lippen
misvormd.
dus.
Je lijkt zo, ja. Lijkt zo misvormd. Jouw ding, dit lijkt helemaal raar. Tjus, als
Wat
hoe lang ik
is
er naar
er?
kijk.
Dit is een Kim K inspired
Kim K,
look.
als Kim K loopt echt niet zo op straat.
I can't believe, like,
Dit
we
zijn
need
net
subtitles.
kussens. Dit zijn net kussens. Het is veel te dik.
Nee, oké,
Ik
maar
ga niet zo koffie drinken.
Tuurlijk wel.
Ik niet.
Tuurlijk wel, doe eens even normaal.
Serieus niet.
Can we close this vlog? Dan ga ik die tutorial natuurlijk niet erop doen.
Nee, het tutorial kan wel. Dit weghalen.
Wat, de wimpers?
Mijn wimpers
Oké,
kunnen
die zijn
echt
overdreven, maar dat
niet.
hoort
Ja.
bij de look.
En
Ja.
jouw lippen, die overlijn, dat kan gewoon echt niet. Dat is te overdreven.
This is a husband! I'm pranking my husband with luckily makeup!
Het kan echt niet, ik was in shock.
Okay, so you really think my makeup looks like this? I'm glad you thought it was a prank, because I thought if he's not going to think it's a prank, then I would be offended, you know what I
Ja,
mean?
ik dacht, wat de fuck heb jij gedaan?
Even in mijn vlog.